Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here at we're back again for another tech unboxing, no? So for this tech unboxing video is going to feature this new smart band from Xiaomi. Tamang-tama, no? At may upcoming fun run si Xiaomi, yung Xiaomi Pop Run Manila will be this August 30 sa Philinvest Alabang. At saktong kakapost lang din ni Xiaomi Philippines sa Facebook page, no, na pwede ka na kayong mag-register na and also bumili nung itong Xiaomi Smart Band 10 at you can get a free registration nung sa kanilang fun run, no? So before I discuss that, no, syempre unbox muna natin itong magandang Xiaomi Smart Band na smartwatch that can monitor all of your heart rate, for example, stress, your personal ranking, yung sa inyong mga pagtakbo o pag-swimming at marami pang iba pa mga workouts. Malaking tulong to, no? At I think the last time I use a smart band ng Xiaomi, I think smart band 9 pa, no? I think tumakbo nga rin tayo sa Xiaomi Pop Run at ginamit natin yon. At for this time, nag-register na ako for the Xiaomi Pop Run at I'm going to use this for the run. Actually, nagkaroon ako ng isang run pero hindi ko siya nagamit kasi nalimutan ko siyang i-unbox. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time to unbox this. So, saktong-sakto na-announce na yung Xiaomi Pop Run Manila at saktong-sakto they're promoting the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 at it's a part of a bundle na pag bumili kayo nito, you can get a free race kit para mag-join. Also, parang I think it's the free registration for 10K at 21K category, no? So walang 5K. So pagka mag-run ka ng 10K, go get this. Kung mag-run ka ng 21K, get this and you get a free registration sa run. Alright, so before I unbox the Xiaomi Smart Band, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung mga tech specs tsaka yung SRP nito. Napakamura, very affordable at mukhang malaki yung screen niya, no? Ayun yung pinakamaganda, no? Alright, so discuss na natin yung tech specs. Xiaomi Smart Band 10 tech specs, here we go. So sa aking tech specs, I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. So ito yung ating note. Ito yung gagamitin natin yung Xiaomi phone for today. So ito na yung tech specs ni Xiaomi Smart Band 10. For the display, meron siyang 1.72 inches na AMOLED touch display. Ayan, yan yung kanyang display, medyo malaki. At meron siyang 73% screen to body ratio. At meron siyang 2.0mm bezel width sa kanyang screen. At meron siyang 212 by 520 pixels na display resolution. At meron siyang HBM 1500 nits with auto brightness adjustment. At meron siyang 60Hz refresh rate. Napakaganda ng kanyang specs for the display, screen, the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 at ng kanyang body, yung mismong yung smartwatch niya, meron siyang 10.95mm compact and slim na size at 15.9 grams na weight. So napakagaan niya. At gawa ito sa aluminum alloy frame. At ang kanyang band strap is TPU, yung kanyang material. At meron siyang quick release strap na feature. Pwede nyo palitan at iba't ibang klaseng strap si Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So ang OS na gamit niya is Android 8 at pwede niyang i-pairs with other devices, no, like the iOS 14.0 and above at Android 8 and above. So pwede mo siyang i-pair with other devices, Android or iPhone. Pero syempre, mas maganda, use Xiaomi phone like my Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. For the water resistance rating ni Xiaomi Smart Band 10, meron siyang 580 So okay din to for swimming, pero hindi siya pwedeng pang diving at hindi siya pwedeng gamitin pag sa hot shower or nasa nasa onsen, no? Don't use the smartwatch pag sa onsen kasi mainit, masisira yung smartwatch nyo. For the battery specs ni Xiaomi Smart Band 10, meron siyang battery na 233 milliamperes at gumagamit siya ng magnetic charging. So may kasama itong magnetic charging, huwag niyong iwawala yung cable. Charging time niya is 1 hour to get the full charge at meron siyang up to 21 days long lasting battery life pag standard nyo lang siyang gagamitin. Now if you're going to use it in other like for example parang 24 hours monitoring kayo, I think mayroon konting bawas for the long lasting battery life. For the apps ni Xiaomi Smart Band 10, gumagamit siya ng Mi Fitness app. Kamukha nito. Nag-download na ako ng Mi Fitness app. Diyan ko i-prepare yung aking smartwatch sa Xiaomi Smart Band 10 para magamit natin at ma-pair natin yung mga yung mga data, for example, for internet, no, tsaka yung ating body, mababasa natin sa phone natin. At meron siyang 150 plus sports mode including the running course. Meron siyang pebble mode at you can do a all-day heart rate monitoring, all-day blood oxygen saturation monitoring, all-day stress monitoring. Marami pa to, may sleep monitoring siya at women's health monitoring. I think sa women's health monitoring, you can measure and monitor pag magkakaroon ko ng men's cycle menstrual cycle ninyo ma-monitor. At meron siyang breathing training at 200 plus custom watch faces. You can medyo baguhin yung watch face using the app, yung phone nyo tsaka yung smartwatch. Meron siyang feature na find phone, music control, alarm, timer, stopwatch, flashlight, weather, event, task, world clock, focus, and camera. You can control your camera too. And for the other specs, gumagamit siya ng Bluetooth 5.4. Meron siyang linear motor na haptic motor, yung parang nagbabibrate siya. For the sensors, meron siyang accelerometer, gyroscope, electronic compass, optical heart rate and pulse oximeter, and ambient light sensor. For the colors ni Xiaomi Smart Band 10, meron siyang Midnight Black, Glacier Silver, Mystic Rose, at meron siyang exclusive na ceramic edition na Pearl White na it will be out on separate purchase, no, kasi iba yung price niya eh. For the SRP, yung regular colors niya na Midnight Black, Glacier Silver, tsaka Mystic Rose, ang SRP niya is 2,499. Available siya this July 4, starting July 4 sa Shopee, Lazada at Xiaomi stores. At for the exclusive ceramic color, available siya this June 27 to July 3. Tapos sa early bird promo nito, 2,999. Just visit the store, inquire about it, baka may available pang ceramic color. At sabi dito, ready to run for free. Just purchase the new Xiaomi Smart Band 10 for only 2,499. And starting July 4 at any Xiaomi store in Luzon, every purchase from July 4 to 25, meron pang time, no, July 4 to 25 comes with the free registration to the 10K or 21 km race category. So get your invitation code sa store after purchase at mag-register kayo online starting July 9. Meron silang website dito, yan, mi.com PH. At the Xiaomi Pop Run Manila 2025 is on August 30 sa Philinvest Alabang. So ayun ating balita for today with the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Actually yung gamit ko din yung dating Smart Band 9 na very easy to use, napakagaan, kahit matulog ako sinusuot ko siya na monitor yung sleep ko. Nakikita ko yung kulang ako palagi sa tulog, medyo nakakatakot din na nakulang ako tubog, so kailangan ko siya bawiin the next day at makakomplete ako ng cycle of sleep. Thank you to this Xiaomi Smart Band 9 dati, but na ngayon 10 gagamitin na natin to. Gagawa ko lang separate vlog, no. I'll be vlogging the Xiaomi Pop Run. I'll do a follow-up video, no, na gamit ko to at makikita natin yung performance niya. Alright, so pang ginagawa natin, unbox na natin to Xiaomi Smart Band 10 from Xiaomi Philippines. Alright, so ito na yung Xiaomi Smart Band 10. I guess I got the black color, no. Paano kung nakikita to? Yan, 580 water resistant, 150 plus sports mode, all around health monitoring, mga watch faces meron din. Ayan, 1.72 AMOLED display, high quality metallic frame, ultra long battery life, tsaka linear motor for delicate experience. Hindi ko alam kung anong color to, pero feeling ko black kasi yun sa picture niya. So open na natin to at para mapakita ko sa inyo yung ganda ng Xiaomi Smart Band 10, which I'm going to use on my next fun run. Also, gagamitin ko na rin dito after this, no? Susuotin na natin. So, okay. So, yun, napakasimple lang niya. Maliit na plastic cover. At, eto na siya. Yan, tanggalin natin to. Ang cover niya. And boom. Wow. Napakaliit. Napakagaan. Xiaomi Smart Band 10. And what else is inside the box? Check natin. Pero feeling ko, nandito yung cable niya. Yung magnetic cable which is very important kasi pag nawala mo to, bibili kayo ng replacement sa Xiaomi store, no? Pero sana ingat-ingatan ninyo dahil pag wala to, hindi kayo makakapag-charge ng inyong smartwatch. So, usually ito lang laman niya, wala na laman. So, this is meron kasamang manual, tsaka yung charging niya na magnetic cable charging na USB. At ito yung makukuha ninyo if you buy this for 2,499 at kung katakbo kayo sa Xiaomi Papran Manila, libre na yung takbo nyo sa 10K saka sa 21K. Alright, so ito na siya. So gusto ko na itong gamitin, no? Para matest na rin din natin. At as usual, iba yung style niya, oh. Iba yung style. Meron siyang clip dito. Same din dun sa Band 9 na meron siyang parang botones dito. Ayan. Kasi yung smart band 9 ko ginagamit na ng auntie namin eh. Si Auntie Yeye, gamit-gamit niya ngayon yun. At ito yung style niya. Sa likod yung magnetic sensor niya. Ayan, may magnetic. Ito yung magnetic. Ito yung sensor niya for the vitals ng inyong katawan. So, dapat dito yan nakalagay. Dito yan nakalagay para yung blood vessel mo, mamamonitor niya, nakadikit sa skin mo. So, paano ba to i-on? Paano to i-on? Wala akong nakikitang button. Feeling ko low-bat to. Wala siyang buttons, so. So, feeling ko, I need to do a recharge. At meron naman akong power bank dito naka-standby. Paano ba to? Ayun, sa baba pala. Medyo magnetic to, magnetic. Ayun, nag-magnet na. At I'll get my Rapu power bank. Saka hindi pala siya pwede dito kasi naka USB Type-C. So, I'll need to get another one. Charge natin sa ibang charging. So, ito yung aking charging at lumabas na yung it has a 73% of battery life. So, ito naka-on na siya, no? So, in-on ko na siya, no? Bali, naglagay lang tayo ng magnetic charging siya at na-on na siya. Wala siyang button kasi dito eh. So, bili tayo ng language, click natin English at ito na, download the app to pair the band. So, I'll be using now my Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. This is from Xiaomi naman din. And I will go to here sa Mi Fitness, start, at access, agree. Just a second daw, naghanap pa siya ng region, Philippines next. And allow. So, hanapin natin device, add a device, agree. Kasi kailangan naka-on yung ating Bluetooth. Allow. So, pwede rin to sa Bluetooth. Lumabas na. Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So, click natin to. Sign in. Bakit sign in? So, gusto ko Facebook. Pwede ba to sa Facebook? Google. Sign in with Google. Mas gusto ko sa Google. Click natin to. Sign in with Google. And here's my email. So, ayan. At, alright. So, tapos na ba? We found an existing Xiaomi. So, pwede ba ako mag-login dito? I need to put my password. Wait lang. So, I'm back, no? Nakalagin na ako sa aking Xiaomi account. So, I'll be clicking the Smart Band 10 para mag-pair na at nagko-connect na. So, allow access information. So, I click pair. So, ganun siya kabilis at meron check dito. Checkin natin yan. Confirm pairing na siya. And, ayan, data says successfully. So, nag-sync na yung aking so, set mo tayo permission. Ano ba yung set ko permission daw? Messages. Okay, next. Allow this app. Ano to? Wearable device. So, hanapin yung permission dito. Mi Fitness. Okay. I'm aware. Okay. Meron pang babasahin kasi niya yung mga messages to, I'll be sending it to sa smartwatch. So, I need to access the permission. Ayan, okay na. So, next. Permission required. Ano to? Call naman sa call. So, okay, call. Allow. So, pwede na tayong calendar daw while using the app. So, daming permission tayong ina-activate. No? Allow all the time. So, okay na. Next. Swipe left to navigate the ayun, pwede naman siya. Okay. May ano pa, control center is kabilang side. Nice. Ganda may tutorials at down is notifications. Okay. Features daw, swipe up. Okay. Galing Okay. Ganda, may tutorial siya, no? Ang ganda no feature to. Ngayon ko lang siya naalala ulit. at nakasync na tayo. So I need to do an update. So download natin. Nag-download siya ng firmware para i-install niya yan dun sa smartwatch para mag-update yung firmware niya. Siyempre kasi parang bago lang to. So meron may mga updates yan eh. So sinisync na niya at 1%. So antayin na ito mag 100%. Tapos balikan ko kayong lahat. Okay, wait lang. Alright, sa part na ito, no, lalagay na yung firmware niya at the smartwatch is now updating. Parang ini-install na niya. No? But yung sa phone natin, parang pilit yung mag-connect pero naka-off siya. So, antayin nyo siya mag 100% and then mag-connect siya automatically. Okay, 33% na. Madali na lang to. Alright, meron tayo nakuha ang alert dito. Sabi dito, update, you're using the latest version. So, click natin itong dismiss. At, ayun na, all set na tayo. At, the phone is still connecting sa watch. Ayun, nag-sync na siya. Sync na natin to. At, okay na. Okay na to. Parang may turn on. Meron pang ano dito. Xiaomi phone. Ano ba to? May lumalabas na permission required. Hindi ko mag-guess. Pero balikan ko na lang yun mamaya. Alright, async na natin. Async na ba siya? Switch. Naka-connected na. Naka-pair na tayo. So, heto na yung Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Napakaganda. Ang laki. Laki ng ano niya. Oh, numbers niya. Tsaka yung, I think yung steps dito. Ano ba to? Heart, stress. Yata. Ayan. Steps. Ay nakita yung steps. So, swipe down. It's the notifications. May makikita mo yung mga notifications. Swipe up. It's yung stats, workout, activity, running course, training, heart rate, vitality, SpO2, sleep, stress, weather, calendar. May calendar ko, makikita ko rin calendar ko pag nakaano. May alarm, settings, at some more. Some more is events, task, breathing, stopwatch, music, find phone, world clock. Ay, okay din pala ito pag naka-pair pala sa phone nyo. No? Makikita nyo kung nasan yung phone nyo. Silence phone, camera, operation, parang shutter siya. Timer, flashlight, focus, compass. So, pagbabalik kayo, swipe to the left. Ayan. At sa kabila, swipe to the right tayo. Some of the flashlight settings, find phone, mga shortcut. So, balik tayo doon. Okay, location, sleep, heart rate. Ayan, yung mga vitals mo, the watch. Parang ganun din, mabalik ka lang din doon. So, ayan. So, kung susuotin ko to, ganito lang siya. Very, very easy. Kasi maganda kasi parang may pagka-plasticky rubber yung dating nito. Tsaka napakagaan niya. Tusok mo lang ito dun yung butas sa parang buttons niya. So, yun. Yun. Nag-click na, nag-snap na. Uy, ganda. Grabe. Oh. Wow. So, gagamitin ko na ito ngayon. I-charge ko na rin din siya para at least we have a first initial test using the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So, I'll be doing more of video, no? So, abangan nyo yung aking upcoming fun run. At kung meron man akong takbo, gagamitin ko rin dito para matesting na rin natin. Alright. So, thank you Xiaomi Philippines for this. At sa mga nanonood, kita-kits sa Xiaomi Pop Run, mag-register na kayo at nakita-kits tayo doon sa 5K. Sa 5K lang ako tatakbo. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, thank you Xiaomi Philippines for this. Alright.